In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Keepa Chrome extension. Keepa is a handy tool that overlays Amazon pages with historical price charts, helping you decide the best time to buy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the official Keepa extension installed and ready to go in just a couple of minutes. First, open Google Chrome. Make sure you're actually in the Chrome browser, not another one like Safari or Firefox, because the installation we're doing uses the Chrome Web Store. If Chrome prompts you to update, let it finish first so the extension installs smoothly. Next, go to the Chrome Web Store. Click into the address bar at the top of Chrome, type chrome.google.com Web Store, and press Enter. This takes you straight to the official catalog of Chrome extensions, which is the safest place to install from. Once the web store loads, look for the search box near the top left. Click inside it and type Keepa, Amazon Price Tracker, then press Enter. You should see a results page listing extensions that match your search. From the results, select the official Keepa listing. You're looking for the extension named Keepa, published by Keepa.com. Double-check the publisher name to make sure it's the real one, and glance at the user count and reviews as a quick confidence check. This helps you avoid similarly named tools that aren't the official product. With the correct listing open, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will show you a permissions pop-up so you know what the extension needs in order to work. Because Keepa displays price history on Amazon pages, it requests access to read and change data on those sites. That's expected for this type of price tracking overlay. Confirm the installation by clicking Add Extension on the pop-up. Chrome will download and install Keepa automatically. This usually takes just a few seconds. Wait for the installation to complete. You'll typically see a brief notification confirming that Keepa has been added to Chrome. You may notice the Keepa icon appear near the top right of the browser or listed in the Extensions menu. Once you see that confirmation, you're all set. That's it. You opened Chrome, went to the Chrome Web Store, searched for Keepa, Amazon Price Tracker, chose the official extension by Keepa.com, clicked Add to Chrome, confirmed by selecting Add Extension, and waited a moment for it to finish. From now on, when you visit Amazon product pages, Keepa will display price history automatically, helping you shop smarter with real data.